will be a story, no. But see, I know the enya yatene movie no de ba no contain all the stars. Lowen wom, Kwekumenu, Bella Samoa, Messiasi Edu, and Yenya Baya, Sisano, or UTV, Nama Mac Brown, Ejako, just say, Utum says stars and giants in a womb, Vivian de Munina womb. While compile all the celebrities, all the movie stars, and don't have a chat one single movie. And we are hoping that some single movie no drop here. A very resurrected movie industry, no can kuma wooden back. Now, some say we are na abe PM. See, and bigger quiz and so abekasa. Bigger quiz, we say, I'm of a break, and a kuma industry, no go here, no, yes, time novella here, a buy, kunkum bagiane, sanking, kaone, buy, no, and I say me break, and a kuma wood. Or no bigger quiz, or no industry, no industry player. An industry not say ye pa. Nas or can the crapper is soupy. Say, at the cropotia, a good Ghana Kumawood movie industry. The downfall of Ejako. Yes, bigger quiz say, Ejako are author from our movie industry, no, and number Kumawood industry, go ye. Nancy man say, Osha a Kumawood industry. Actor or a giant, Anna Okra industry, nipa, I want inside him no. Actor ni din ede edu kofi ana kofi edu obia de obia de nim na Ejako o kire mu a Ejako eto fom no eno ana ma Kumawood industry no egu entene ye mpene toto empene no a se ma Kumawood no besa resort back a ene ye nkonkofo Ejako very simple state here ye nkonkofo Ejako embra back entene movie a miracles eba be yinu ye hwe nim so be feature Ejako ewo mu ana. According to us, Ejako Mbempa dia ye twa movie 1000 Kumawood emba. Ufi utmu say Ejako or real talent or natural talent a Ghana for any gen ho. Nti se Ejako eba Kumawood no ho don no ebe san so aba back. Nti si ade de ye Ejako media for central for de ye guso a hwe nim say miracle films order ba just to resurrect Kumawood back life in the industry. Ye hwe nim say anya bia obe feature Abrante Ejako. And I said, there because me aka say me janya me no kwen Ejako me je ne hu ye pa. Then to us one na second story no ye bedi asa say I have mo ba kan ya e che bia na ye Kaswa Van Dam the children's president say me kan won okro or when the terms be or that the try any short series be can we checking Abrante funny face. Na enche bi na funny face mo sem baaye funny face on the Kaswa ana owo na me se oni wan nkofo bi ekonya grudge wo ho funny face mai to so a one shot pew o kan ya baku bi onu baako 21 gunshot of both from Mumsa eno ana police for asotin ya o meso a funny face ele ni ko tumu na funny face ekode mu baaye no oba back je se Abrante no on ti so dogo bi kre no abe oba back ebe ye live video edit to social media so e kire mu se Ghana police omo na ndi niye ti se omo na ndi niye kura omo ye ti se assault case omo assault no na wabotuo na se mo be china whether our license to no or license you mo ba be china enka mo fa enidie obuo ema nipa na mo be china enidie kwan so in a professional way na enye fe funny face kire mu a obaye no and is your boa casebo and casepeteo, or more vinier pa asumbo dibi. They say, Omo Nanka one ayas and easy, or when a quiet said Jetili ni Jackan, or Bonaka Sankasangasa. I know him say, ah, Bonnie Bana my video no can buy enough on the face soon. Beman soon. The same is you a promise say ya, or soon, or say Matutu. Now Betchemia. And their only problem, mobile investigation because our whole license and our new license, and our farm bobia. Or to confirm him. Mobetina, on the moon yasem. And then why you muntia more bono. Mochina musha munchinko. Or di bima mujano, only bima, if you are a woman, or no outs in wase, but some more bonus are on tiase. Oh, now when face soon. And what your chemo say, to see any day. What's last year, I dream with the acquired you was and the summa margin. What did you want who said no? Our sort case on tiase. Sisian Ghana police. Funny face say okusiumu or the moko jina mrenim court or the sika tosu sika de tosu $5 million $5 do. Now I'm just wondering, say, if Ghana police can raise that money. Ghana police, you raise $5 million. Scan mode, funny with Chirima, or see Ghana police, a assault case. Ghana police are assaulting. In $5 million. Anna, audio or more Kakujin and say Omuncha and Patano. Now, Ochemu says, ask can in Saka, why ye? I become me to say $5 million there. Near me to Sabah, Minibia, Minyajumabi, Mekoda. Also, why ye? Now ye didn't qua asa or the good one. Sister, bra, she has a funny beside. Hey, hey. You know, Osha sana funny face. Mama funny face. On the Sunday or the gua. And yeah, better funny face. $5 million or just a king. Why ye? Na ye didn't kwa sanu no. Utum se we jiga o di asanga. Bra funny. Utum se me dem no wa $5 million de bi wom. Let's round unna mi hiamwa. Le be se me investment. Why? So the o je 5 na. We mu $1 million academia. And yeah, better say 5. So one crack 4. Uti manage 4 no. O ba mi hiam 1% investment. So me sirawa ayana o the one out to my account. Why? And you know I have for funny face say o ko see Ghana police $5 million and your compensation mo fa patano. O Jesus kana why ye chom. Ye den ho asa o de gu wo no. Eno ana mo share ye no. Ye ntoa ensem no so. Edu efada say ya na ye hwanya ensem ana ye nyanim say dada setena no enwom enka ho a ebe die pa me say me ne gyenwom ho me sure say won so wani age enwom ho enwom ade a eboa yen ebi kra po say enwom music is the food for the soul obu wa de nyofa adwen obu wa enwom ehye nkran enwom de enya bebre intama enwom eboa nemo pese ya hwe say enwom ankasa ye free say eboa yen no e wo sunsuanse boni bi e wo yeso ana yemfa ni say won say ayana yetena kan mu a wo hwemu a yetena kan mu a mostly a drivers for eta bonum e wo kan mu wo ye driver na wo hwe me a de make not yase passenger wo so fa car wo ti ase drivers ta bonum e wo kan mu ne na man fo bo mu tinko sa ba na nyum na fa be bi akoka na refi na kan de wo twem e bo so nya nyum be bo na e radio e bi na wo tie news e bi a wo tie announcement bi a ekoso enti bisa say aso enyoma a drivers for a ball kan mu kan bi so no it me distraction ma accident e ba na ana so say e okay yem bonyom ne sa eno nti minua be ma ba ko ka me ho opani ba Daniel akopie mu wo montene so a o ye nkofo bi interview nti no yenko na yenko hwe interview ne ba na de wo no ye da to amoso
ahefo yem akwa ba ediba EGMTV so enedey ena EGMTV yato ye ho ebu emontre so ye ne passenger for ekotwe nkomo ne ya hwe se so enwum abre bia ye fro car ye tete no so e won sunsuanso e o car akanhia eso ana ene nte ka me ho na ye ntinsi krom ne ahwefo nkotwe nkomo
me de Steven Kofi station master o kwan bi so no eboa kwan bi so no so emwa bi wo ho a wo kofu ne car obi wo ho a wo kofu ne car driver passenger no car no mpe so driver mpacho dum ye fence tape no kofu kakra the way man a passenger be catch driver no na driver so be man no action na obeya man obi wo a wo ka say wo koka no ma dum tape no ti say tape ni ye na nkasa ne dia so ansano sa awo driver mpacho kofu kakra sanka ebe bo ameni na wo na driver no dum no kra on so bi obi so ho a wo ka na wa ya pade am menya sure ke attitude ni na be fi driver so be nya accident be fi driver because ebi wo ho a ye bon wo car no mo me fin say no anya bibia na driver na hwe yi obehwe wo kwa no so enna bit mama sade na happy
acho ya frame Abubakar Baba Idrisu enyuma ebo na ka mu eboa nanso ewo emre eboa ana ewo mre so emwa enyum obi betena ka mu na ubo nyum a enyum no higher otimi ka tose ma nyum ne nkofom no man na nkofom as a driver there you supposed to do everything for your customers because omuna etika nim uguta wo mu nkwanti de ombe ka chi obi ana wo so ye enyum ne bo aje say umi enyum enye entertainment wayi a ubi ne high ebi wo so a news ebi wo a ye bonyum enyum no de eboa enye say ha adwen na emu ye mi enyum no ho oka mu abra passenger city ma na abra ukura manfo a do mu ye de etu kwan dabi enfa ka kwanhye ma wa abra wa bi enyum no limit a wo betima tie o car ne sound maybe because wo car ni mu a wo beti anase wo behu wa kwam wa adwen kwanyum no so bebre no me ka driver for ne say wo bonyum wo car o ha na say passenger ka say low na I was so low no because for wa unkasa safety no o car no bibi ba ho electrical fault bibi ba ho won't aside that and so passenger no one low na we report mo ba because and mran say o say o tinaka u twika obi onyum ho aditio amanfo aso obi wo kura na o asonyare because of onyum nti no ebetima cause no trouble nti mesa driver for say nyum e bon ka mu no e de but ni kwase e bi no ho a ebesisi manfo aso me de nyum de pepa me panyum pa me taka na ma bi nyum a me nye okay o me de that ni ma nyum de me bopa me nya ni jinu nyum pa
e fem Ishmael IT e depend de a obebi volume na fa o say enti a te obi twika na ebia me fa say volume no anu e higher o say ebi o kasa onti ya no onya obi so obi a obetwa ni no ebia na no de bia bibi ba anabia we koshia na ebo tata ni kose na ebi so ha anu tie no de eboa o say ebi so aba no bu efi bibi ofi otike mu na bia anyu nka bia nyema e wose wo manane bi no na e hye nkran ma ogia na me ne efi ntim o say oh most of the time so we are seeing them say all time is nyum de on say futuo what I say anya je nyum kekebeti futuo na wo mu na e fa what I say oh na me ka bit na ka show say most of the time so no nyum de so obo on say enzu kan ma most of the time to drive mass just no o mo hwe say nyum o ka na bia o ka on ofro what I say na me so mo ko na bisu a so mo bo nyum o ka nzo a e ma iba na neje oni kwari odi because be do oni to be ho na mo tata volume say ma volume na emba form okay open body more right by volume emba form yenum bia na e bo keke enum bi wa ogbo a eye
Amidiane ate must know our bad side and so negative side. It made in so bad. Was I know to me was accident. Was the driver mostly ni favorite nyobia ebono. Otumide na kuma ni na adwin nyina masa anyom ko so opanyom no. Nti o kaka no kra na omobonyom no de na kuma nyina ma nyom nti o follow nyom ne sen ka na o ka no kra. Then no suit me the accident ba. So sometimes say ba to me de enye cause it me the accident ba no ahwere akra bibli. Ni American say nyom na omobo ka ni no. Ebe ya omunya cause Bruni say prevention is better than cure. E say ebe ja ebe save lives. Sin ya ye be boy be ku akra nti to me ni de omunyai
ene na ahwefo ena YGMTV yetu ye hu egu emontene so no enkomo ni adriver for any passenger for ekotwetwe efa enwuma yetatie ewo kaa mu esu ensunsuanso a ya ede eba no aha ene ede dwumade nyina ebisi mi a me di dwumade uchia me edi a me geso eye opani ba Kwame Daniel ene nti osabarima Somewhere.
Okay, Manchester, Osumuno, Manchester, Aba. I was a year dear grown na is dear. And you dear, yapa, and you dear, the new Jinwa, one the funny face here, and me too. Let me catch it up, maybe Jim was in Missa. Oh, me too, simple cry, and you dear a year, and you dear a far drain, and my age. Oh, untimin ko outdoor as young bonum, untimin ko wedding, untimin ko ye, into a new idea. That does it now, a boy and pa, Nancy, ye dear grown na ye father. I didn't mean some men, some senior, a woman said, and you might walk her moon. emirisa mia experience mia me hu bi meteka no mu bi on say obi kan say mesi wo ha ama mate ni kata driver no say omo terms aya mo kan no ewom ene no ma bo car no panpan omo we na mo ye no anyom na bo car no esanse anu o de ni ntin driver na nti emra ote ye no na wo twem odi pa na kosi enim nti say anyom no in a way no etini institution so boni bi eba bo car mo nti anyom de ye bo car mo I think senka yamana enko form se na obi so kan say dede a obi wa ote wo no ote kan mu no o fa no ho adwen obi ote kan mu okọ interview no ko nyina no oye results for the team me also bonyum geng enti me sremo e bonyum kan mu a eye etie news etie radio eye ba yellow one na bibia enye fe some kind Friday dey ba say ya yenche titia na ye call face weekends ba Valentine so ehye Sunday enti no adofo enkonkoye adofo omonkonkoye omo adoye na omonko kire odo muda odo edi Valentine Sunday me comedy onko na otifie kran na fa phone na fra unua bi na at least ka odo sem action yenye say Valentine dey eye odo nko a chocolate ni bonya dey 5 cd 7 cd what to be what dey odo for bi yenye say bia o girl no boy nko a dey bi obi a open asem utimi to de che unua ba ma obi a open asem me nto ma dey bi me nto but open asem a to ma me wo ho oh boy o yere ekunu muye na enyefe won say odo events and friends say programs in a bus here once intie na enyefe coronavirus enso wo ho intine say uji wani a na wa ya hwe social distance no yen fa nyeduma nose mask ne so yen hye me ba entina me ni de hye butom me fi ya me hye very very important intino me fa da emma ejama herbal and prayer center abina nyina no me kwa mentimi emba embeja ha sei won se me ho afa kama sika ne bifio na eba mbotom ana my guy omo no mso asena me begina ha sei entina me na wo se me di omo ho adanse e de maw ni ba me kama asem se orthodox doctor mpo agiatum se herbal processes no very very powerful entina minia oti ho eye den omo nkra bata no miensa Kumasi Sevilla Junction atunsu agogo ukọ ha papa na nkasa on betina se kama na wa shop onye bi o man ho so obre ne ho ase bokọ no bedi nkomo na wa boa ukọ eye gbediri bumper to bumper temampo temu so a obehun ewo ana eye headquarters Pokwase Marira obanso a obehun papa na nkasa na ono edi nkomo friend ewo 0244 570362 0244570362 Apostle Ejama ono abefa no no edi nkomo ye bon mrane ekase Ejama Herbal and Prayer Center. All the last stop. Last stop. Intino, my madam home, Namina Bar, Ama Dicey, Mukoko Bako, on from movie, Judy, the middle of Saberma Kojo, P.S. You from Saberma, Majos, Namia no Monday. We are so Asia. We can simply you, young couldn't bye bye.
Malatus oppositifolio, Piglina nitida, Tetrapleura tetraptela, Pepsi dinesio africana, Eya habai, Eya nubra, Eya dihini, Ejama Herbal Present and Sabre, Oti and Kane, Ede, and Eya how, Stroke Yarian Ebubu, Siari, Awo, Eya Odaju, Afens, when your name you are able to say Gloria, syphilis, chlamydia, sarcoma, low sperm count, after we feature the Emma, fibroid, a close to etu. Ka Edward Shiase, aka okotodwe, aka wechi for the area, osa, afis wemu nso unhu hihye pa, Ejama Herbal Present, me ka say ye dia haban no, ye fresh e ye foforo, ene ye de ye hu adwuma de ma wo. Wa we, wono mu wi, we no mo sa. Ɛhɔ yɛ baabi a yɛde haban ɛhyɛ nipa som ɛde twene yare efre ne ho. Ejama Herbal Present yɛ solution. Yɛ haban yɛ wɔ nubura, yɛ wɔ nuhini a ɛbɛtumi de asa yare no ɛde ho. Ne ehia ne sɛ wobɛtu anamɔ no aba Pokwase Marira headquarters. Yɛ wɔ Kumase Sevilla Junction. ɛna afei nso gbɛkyire bumper to bumper yɛhɔ nyankopɔn hyira wo yɛda ɛgye onyankopɔn sɛ Egyama Herbal Press Center na sabre wo hwɛ yɛn ɛdɛn na yɛ wo haw dɛn na yɛ wo amanneɛ dɛn na yere wo so yɛatɔ yare amo ana yɛabɔ odua wode yare akyi abrɛ yɛato aduro ɛna ade ne nenam wo mu ana obi de aduro abɛto wo shop ana obi de aduro akɔgu wo afuom ɛna afei so ne ɛtwe ɔwɔ kora ne sɛ wokata w'ania na obi ne waba abɛda ana wode yɛbɔ ɔpande ɛwɔ ɔda yɛ mu ana sunsun bi nti awɔ ba abɛɛfo no wodi esie nipa wɔne fɔn so haw ɛwɔ mpɔtɛm a wɔte Egyama Herbal and Press Center fa ɔyare bra fibroid yareɛ ɛda wa yase ubebi ɛnum nsa anasɛ ubebi ɛnum ndrubɔne bi wei na no yie no yɛde dwumadie bi aba kwesiara wei ne kwesiara biara na Egyama Herbal Press Center de ahaban ɛhyɛ asom na interrogation yɛ tibia yɛfa so de ahaban ɛhyɛ nipa asom na enema ahodoɔ a ɛde ne die sɛ wɔ sumu nyinaa no ɛde nea wabubu nea yare bi abre ne so na yɛatɔ ntɔma yadeɛ ama no nyinara kwesiada wei ne kwesiada biara hyɛme Apostle Egyama ɛwɔ Pokuase Mayera headquarters na yɛtɔ so mmienu wɔ Kumase Sewia Junction ɛne nti ɛbrɛ wei ɛwɔ Sewia Junction hɔ no yɛde ahaban bɛhyɛ asom obiara ne bebia wo a wohwɛ biara no bra bɛyɛ bi ɛna fɛ efiada ɛbɛ ne fiada biara nso no ɛgbɛkyire bumper to bumper Egyama Herbal Press Center yɛ ahaban ndubura ndue ɛna yɛde sa yadeɛ ahaban no bi a yɛde sa yare no ebi yɛ ɛyɛ Terracum officinale ɛna afei Pepsi Dinesio Africanum Hoslina Opposita ɛna Holarina Floribunda ne nyinaa nso yɛ ahaban Egyama Herbal and Press Center onyankopɔn tumi nti oyɛfoɔ ne ho bɛda adi
ɔdɔfoɔ ɛgye onyankopɔn hyira wo sɛ woatɔ Egyama product tie ne yie paa kwan wei ɛna wobɛfa so a wobɛyi so yɛhyɛ ase ɛde free stop them oil ɛno nie sɛ wo nsa ka stop them oil a nea wobɛyɛ ne sɛ wobɛsɛ nsuo cup mmiɛnsa egu bucket mu wowie a na wode nkyɛn aboɔ deɛ ne bi mako 7 atotototum mfe ngu sam fa totum wowie ne saa no a na afei wode ade awɔ oil no ne top sei na womia bi anaa wobia no wohwiehwie nkakra mmiɛnsa na wode egu nsuo no mu saa nsuo no ayɛ ready enimere wodare wie no a wokɔ akɔda no wode no ahohoro ho nyinaa na afei before a wode bɛhohoro ho na sɛ woka nnome a ɛhaw ɛwɔ abrabɔ mu abusua mu nnome ɛne nnome ama wɔ abrabɔ ɛnkɔ so nyinaa woka ne nyinaa sɛ awurade mu ɔno yɛ nyinaa mfiri wo so wie a asam de ahohoro ho wowie a ma wo ho wie a na afei wasra oil no bi na wakɔda na oil no bebree bɛka ɛde biara a wobɛdware no afei bi so wo suo na fa dware na afei nea wopɛ sɛ wode yɛ biara ogyidie bɛkyerɛ wo no ɛno so yɛbɛma wo kwan yɛde yɛ bibiara wate ɛno no yɛ stop them oil afei yɛwie no no wɔyɛ ayerakwa bam sɛ woso da bɔne te sɛ obi de bibi abɔ wɔ da yɛ mu anaasɛ obi ne wada ade bɛkye ne wate kakaw ana obi de bibi apem ne pedua ne fa bi ma ɛhɔ yɛ wo yɛ anaasɛ waso da bɔne bi ma de akyea wei na wode bɔ so mpa yɛ afei sɛ yɛtɔ stroke yare ama wo a wei na wobɛyusu afei yɛtɔ yare biara to ne pedua ne ni biara na agyigye wo a wei na wobɛyusu yɛfrɛ no ayerakwa ɛno no ɛhɔ yɛ yellow okay afei yɛwie ne saa no Egyama powder nie powder sɛ wo nsa ka bi a wobɛtumi hu bi anadwo 12 o'clock na nea wobɛyɛ ne sɛ wodu 12 o'clock ɛkɔ na wode bɛbɛsu gu wo nsa benkum sɛ na waka asɛm no nyinaa nea wopɛ sɛ esi ne nea wopɛ sɛ esi papa ne bɔne nyinaa wobɛka ne nyinaa gu so wowie no wohu kai na hunu sɛ sɛ awaresɛm na ɛha wɔ no na wobɛka sɛ dwuma na ɛha wɔ no na wobɛka sɛ ahobanbɔ na wobɛ no na wobɛka sɛ obi ne wodi esi a ɛno na wobɛka nea ɛha wɔ na ɛyɛ wo problem ɛno na wobɛka ansa na wowie a wohu powder no wohu wie a ade kye a afei yɛ 12 bio bebia de bia ne bebia wogina bia no ono so be gu nsa benkum na afi wehu na aye fefefe fine uhu a e obi hu ne wo ye ese wo ye ne secret what yes nti wo ka mu wodwuma mu ohimfo ono so de gu nsa benkum na wehu ne to so bi mu no pada we no wo betu de bia fra semna biara wo be nkanka ne ada sasamra sa wo pa eno na wo de bedware na wo de abo wo no wo yere no mba wo kunu na busua ne nyina ho ban wabra e sunsun bi ene mo di esi ne yusu ana make no decision so Egyama powder eno no ana fa ewu de no to nkyɛn so a yɛwɔ bibi te sɛ abayifo sa abayifo nku we yare biara abayifo de ato so no wo ho kwan sɛ wo yusu nku we bi ana fa kwan yɛ fa so yusu ane sɛ simple wo de bi sra sɛ wo mo so de twa cross ana sɛ ebi a wo ne pedua no bebia na wo de kakra sra wo wi a ne mre no wo bie so esi hɔ sɛ enkata so ade kyea na wakata so na ayɛ fefefe sɛ yɛ na yusu no keke kosi sɛ ɛbɛsan basan bɛtɔ foforɔ wɔyi so na aboa ɛna last one no a mɛka ho asɛm de akyerɛ wo no ɛyɛ dasaw grace and security I don't think oil when it's simple no so be good nsɛm sɛ yi a na waposa woposa wie na wode asra bebi a wo na afei wabɔ mpa yɛ miɛnsa ɛyɛ ahobambɔ efiri wurade hɔ onyankopɔn adom ɛyɛ grace ɛna afei nso no baako ɛka ho a ɛyɛ favor na aboa na ɛyɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ wote ase nti ɛyɛ simple yusu na adanse ba wafrɛ na waka kyerɛ me na me so me aba tv ne so me so ma bɛka na edi nkunim ɛde aman nyankopɔn hyira no nka wo na nyɛ adwuma ma wo amen.
Mesan ema makwa biom dwumadie no aha ene edisi menwa be ma ye na osabari ma kojo piesie ba kopɛ ai ono adalma o wa ma ehu dia yekoso entertainment ai etase ehuru papa na minkai ubiom say ye jama heba prayer center na so yasene adwumadie yetumi ede ebrewo na adwumadie ne ye anopam nsem dwumadie ye eda adwuada ekosi eda efiada medofo ye na wagebre mene mapamfo ye na yatenase yedi ekonya saa na kyese nsem a etwegu ewo Ghana manmu ne aman hodo so no na yede esom Ghana eman medofo ebia na opese wokọ ye ejama herbal prayer center wono maso ye di ampacho ye miensa enkrabata ne ye miensa ye Kumasi atonsu agogosewia junction na afetema gbechire bumper to bumper tema gbechire bumper to bumper na afe ye enkran de ye headquarters ne ye Pokwase Myra Misrawo na washa nso na wakohunu wo mo na wakoje wayaresa wotimi so from 0244570362 0244570362 na mekai ubiom se adwumako bi ehia sales executives Misrawo uji hudi se wotimi ton ade a we abre se opese wo ye bibi e wabrabo ma Misrawo na wafre 0542541572 0542541572 0542541572 and afi MCR master control room ehia obi a onim ehun nimudie misrew obi a onim ehun nimudie se onim se wo sa field no na wo hun nimudie a misrew no afre 0246317706 0246317706 Mrs. Biom 0246317706 ofra onsa beka o na chese ehhehye bia no wo ne wo mo aka ne kama misrew enei me catch you say that you are da fiada no ye question of the day enti nyame adom dia ene owini question of the day no ewo ahoma no so enti ye bekoso ye nwa be maselasi ewo takrade o ahoma no so ne ene no entwetwe enkomo. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me pacho it saying yo me pacho and question of the day no when are we a winner?
Okay.
Wona we winner me pacho you say you wona we win here.
That's right.
Me pacho question okay question na ye de to dwa no.
That's right.
Me pacho betimi akai me.
See, who was the first player to score the goal in AFCON?
Okay.
And which year was it?
Oh, okay. See, na ye hwan ya na ye year be.
What was it?
Me pacho na ye hwan na na ye year be.
Your father think.
Na year be.
1967.
Okay. Yeah, that's a pass Selassie. Now when you prize no.
That's why I'm
Oh wow. And see I can to say when you and I say to say
but you need to
me meet me who me to voice na me to say when you aje.
That's it.
Me to voice na me to say when you aje.
That's right.
You mate. Enti den na owo e ka kire ahwefo EGM ahwefo.
Me dem want to say we the first time like I might be because with my question of me.
Okay.
So me near the power.
You. Ya ti asie.
From time to time no so make us why
You. Me gidi say obema we fidie ne da bia no ada EGM TV.
That's right.
You better as a pass with the brain ye kasa ye why.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a pa. And see a year in your bed, Master Lassie, or Takrade, or nona and ne owini ye, which Miss Acrano, whoop sports, and Windy and a owini ye, Mr. Ebiana would dear a dajwater. A yana, she TV and see when you're my pankwa and na ye day mau. And mean your bed, the indomitable sports uncle, at na say, Berima ampem, Dago ampem. Ubodi no apem no ai no amane pie what na say nti no ma me nko ne nchen ampem
ama
the indomitable
sports uncle
Ujudi
is a jubadi nim so
ye ne dia owini ye no akasa but we want to know ebu one or try but ebia wan go through the right process into the train say there was so ye this so ye ni say na yeah
okay say ama me de ahwefo ekọ abakọse mu e de afa AFCON ho AFCON e hyase 10th February 1957 obi man so Sudan and I hosted the first AFCON Sudan and I hosted na 4 nations na South Africa, Sudan, Egypt and Ethiopia.
Ntigana de yanko.
Oh David.
Ade ne yanko bi.
O result team say David enko ye gra. Eti South Africa entumi amepuemu.
Okay.
South Africa entumi amepuemu. Ebeka aman no miensa host nation Sudan no Ethiopia and Egypt.
Okay.
Na e was set Ethiopia and South Africa and a first match. Na e wono say na teams no no so ama na wo hyase efi semi-finals. If you have a bought and for if you find an assault so. It is South Africa to me Mutina, Ethiopia are qualified. It's no on South Africa every day, every ball. Let's say I call or standby.
Okay.
It is a new and a friend is saying Sudan or your host nation, any Egypt, a day at the boy near Egypt to me a dinkuni, a camionua, Sudan, a Timubako. Okay. It's a whole and our brand here, a friend is saying Rafat Atia, which me enya Goa na edikan kra
no country
Egypt
oh yeah, Egypt America because that's Egypt for now so yard you
Egypt there say baba kwase mu kra no a America could do baby abon say AFCON no won energy kane
okay
history so no abakwasem kire say Egypt energy first time
because matese omo there omo bom de
wo ya de baba kwase mu a wo ya ba eti say na make eti didimu a na Ethiopia and your friend say Egypt equal finals. Egypt to make Ethiopia on 4 goals to nil. Ethiopia to me tobacco
back then
1957. I went to me and tobacco. Then our brandy be a friend at Diba.
Okay.
Ubi a test say at Diba. My main can be bigger at Diba no no offer a goal king. Was a 5 goals.
Okay.
Aha.
During that
time, it was the buy say at Diba, Mr. Ono and a 5 goal king. with a 5 goals.
Okay.
Etina ama eno
correction no.
Sa na eno enso ne de epuemu ewo ho. Aha. Na ya pani na your friend say Abdul Aziz Abdullah Salem na trophy na ni din da so. Ono so Egyptian sa ono the first CAF president.
Okay.
First CAF president. Aha. Etina ama na eno enso ne abakwasem kakra efa
yeah that's pa my process no obi one more person ono so ede ne answer eba obi one because I know say yeah na question here the two just na bebre na we try
okay
but obi a onim process nti na bia na wendi mi ankwankonya
oh okay then the name ready ama ententan kesi ade a dey ebumeka internet. It is a question at what the fear there be a question at what and when I say Google need the keka who be a me so I say true process no ubenya mwa na so to me the aba aha
would there be any need say bia e bia mekwa kwa hashtag wo baby and I say just and answer me true answer
oh hashtag ne bebe mu a Google awie enya answer na be wo dey bra YGMTV no ho na obehya hashtag YGMTV and so na wodi mu aye na ai dey abeka one hashtag na mana cho YGMTV na dey mu aye ne ba we just say enye papa and for say enya dey obeji atum aha
me papa na beka to say I will not buy that just say dia wo kenyi na no
on fagra
enti me da wase pa me dofo na yenwa be ma ampem da ko na ye ne atwetwe nkomo sisie yi no mesra wo pese wodi wansa eba hashtag EGMTV na fe wo de answer no wo de atoa so said the beya betumi aboa na won so wetumi ewini is real and it's true and nipa wo wini and he is not the first person ya friend no say what I EGM Monday no last week and then you know ye ade ye no enya se mo share keke na mom to help you not as to help but ye ma enye fe say at least we are appreciating you watching us and until end a day a question of the day no ye day ban Monday and Fridays and a ye day ba nti Mr. ya no ahwe EGM TV Mr. na mesa esi to be say ye jam Bible and Prayer Center of course you know we can never do without them it's an say omo ye proud sponsor headline sponsor ye jam Bible and Prayer Center Mr. from o 0244570362 0244570362 and Mr. Sales executives ye sales executives Mr. would say would Obo modern with me 054-254-1572 054-254-1572 and a master control room with you woody who a nimdie wadring abin won wa bin I say me nua be maybe ba men knitting Mr. Wara na one friend number we 0246317706 0246317706 fra na de o bia no yetumi e de ahyehyɛ so Mr. na you streaming live on Facebook ntino say ya na ebre eni wo anase woni adaje a ka wakoma so yem ubetumi akọ wo phone no so uko Facebook a wa search EGM TV GH GH ya ho magana nti EGM TV GH ubehu ye honum ubehu so ba amara isi mete so ache se medwa menum edeko edeba ubehu menua be ma eye apem da ko any one okeka hu nyina oba pa ekua ne eye entertainment for ni obi ano ubehu obi biara so nti mesra eye na hye so se uko Facebook so a ye wo honum mesra ebiom ara ebiom na me kai wo se corona real yemo ye ho ba yen hye no smasen ro yensa yen use ye sanitizer na social distancing no so a yen di wo se nsunsun ye anase ne me bi asesa wo ni pedua ni mu a na wo visit the nearby clinic or hospital na yentumi ehu da ekoso enfama na me nchia ene asida kese bi ekwama eye apostle ejama nyame onhware no nye ne kese bebi owo bia no nyame edi nanim na oncheche ne akwan afa me dofo me di asida de ko ama eye crew obi biara mean to embo body ochina eye memeneda na memeneda ebo nonson numero 7 p.m. oh beef corner elbas for live and colored you know say we are serving it hot and spicy make us say beef corner will see beef kwana wosije esanse ye bejemu edi egu so beef no de ebebre asete na nyame yadoma o kene enwumre no chese ebeso medofo aha ena de obi biara ebesi enti no makramo
double LAC Galaxy let's go she dey make her the best cash my money like say she be yeah. Mommy way mommy that she dey me on my money like pussy cat. If I no give her money she not go let me lick honey. So make it taking body make her take my money free say Obi and mommy oh you chop money money buy Obi and baba chop money, buy. Ay, mommy, oh, you chop money, money. Papa, oh, you chop money. Sending me money request like say every day for Facebook. Mom, walk one woman, what lights I like. Girl, she know they see me Agonana, so she want to catch me move. If she want to suck my money like you. Yeah, girl, I'm sorry. Oh, be mommy, oh, you chop money, buy. Oh, be papa, oh, you chop money, buy. Ay, mommy, oh, you chop money, papa, oh, you chop money,
Let me take back to the school days. Now me when she me hunting, I'm